Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got a product review for you. I was approached by, is it FIFINE Technology to review their desk mic. Now I use a lot of, when I do streaming, when I'm doing videos, either the videos are used by the microphone which is on the camera which is attached to you. On my streams I'll use a microphone that's part of a webcam, and the quality is not perfect, it's not really that good. I've even got a headset as well which the mic quality that's quite good. But we'll try one of these, shall we? So, got in touch with me over Christmas. There was something wrong with the thing, went straight to junk mail because it automatically figured out it was junk. And well, why not? We'll have a see if they're actually a real company. And send all the links through, and it was fine, and everything's good. And yes, they paid for this, so I can review this for you, which is great. It's nice actually seeing stuff like this. So let's have a look inside. So straight away we've got an instructions user guide. The K-052 looks like a USB desk mic. So full instructions, plug it in. You've got nothing much else to do. So fine, this could be a good product. I don't know. The reviews didn't seem too bad for this one. So let's have a look. It's nicely packaged. No polystyrene. Thank you very much. It's always a good sign. This plastic stuff, yeah, it doesn't rot as well as polystyrene, or does it, or whatever, but I much prefer, because I hate polystyrene. So let's have a look inside. Oh, that's very nice. So, okay. Plastics away. Okay, so we've got a nice, looks like not an anti-slip base, but a little bit anti-slip, but it's in place, it's solid enough. Standard USB, so it's not USB 3 or beyond. And 2 articulation points. Okay, one at the bottom, one at the end. So that's quite nice. So it looks like you've got a mute button, or maybe a gain button, a gain switch as well. So that turns quite well. Looks like maybe you press the mute, light would light up. So wobbling it doesn't seem too bad, maybe a little bit. I don't think it's loose, but nice shaft there. So take off the wind sock part there if we can. Will that come off? Looks like it's wider on the end, so it might not fully come off. Yeah, there we go. So an interesting little mic on top there. It's a lot better than what I use at present. Nice and solid as well. Yeah. That should just slide back on there, hopefully. But let's get this plugged in and see if we can get it working, see if we can get any audio, and I'll try and see if I can do a live test of the audio as it comes out and in comparison to what the camera's doing, because there's not much point in me actually doing the camera different for the videos, but maybe for a live stream this could be a lot better. It's hidden away off screen. I don't know, maybe this could be really good. I don't know. Let's do some testing and see if we can get this thing working and if it's any good. Okay, she's plugged in. I'm trying a couple of things to try and record audio. Now I've got my OBS set up in front of me on the computer, on the screen in front of me. I'm gonna try and record something, but the screen in front just kind of dims down a little bit of the audio when it's not been played for a while. But the good feature about this is that I'm watching the feed on here on the screen for the microphone which is set up for it, and it's all on the green, and I can turn the gain up with that, and now I'm in the yellow for talking, and I am kind of, I'm just, okay, can you, there's my chin, right? So I'm a little bit further, I'm probably a foot maybe away from the microphone, and it's in the yellow at full. I can turn down a half because there is a gauge on there, plus also the mute. Straight away, mute. So I usually do, when I'm in chat rooms, I will do you'll speak, and then it'll be won't be a push to talk, it'll just be, I'll be quiet, because I'm fine at shutting my mouth occasionally, but it's not a press to hold, and it's just, it's on, it's Hello, how are you today? It's in Green Service talking. And my stream over here is showing I've got microphone set up going through. And then I'm off. It's completely off, dead, completely, everything. Now if I go a little closer with the same setting, hello, 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 I'm really in the yellow there. Not in the red yet, but if I go to full, the actual system is pushing into the red there, which you can't see because I am really close to the mic there. But it's probably over the top. Now let me try and do some recording. Turn that to 0. It will completely turn off anyway, but a little bit. Yeah, it's not showing too bad. I don't think this might be too bad. It's just the clarity I need to work on. So we'll do half of that, record something on the screen, and see if it's going to do anything that we actually like. And if it's really bad quality, then it goes back. So first test doesn't really seem to have done much. It's quite quiet coming out of the screen, so I don't know. Let me do a live test for you now. We've got 3/4 on the gain, microphone switched on. I'm going to start recording. Right, I am a foot away, half a foot away from the microphone. You can hear me on the camera, and I'm getting yellows all the way through for the microphone on OBS. Stop recording there. And let's have a look to see if we can hear anything. I am half a foot away from the microphone. You can hear me on the camera, and I'm getting yellows all the way through for the microphone. I can barely hear that. So let me try full gain. Let's turn my gain up on OBS to something a bit silly. And stay the same distance away, so I'll start recording. Right, I'm half foot away. Test 2, the sound's going in the red. Let's see if this is any good or not. Right, so that's stopped. Playing that video back. Right, I'm half foot away. Test 2, the sound's going in the red. Let's see if this is any good or not. It's not bad. I think it's on full. That's my problem with this. It's all on full. And let me try one last test. So I'm actually on camera doing this. I'll turn that down to 3/4, which it shouldn't be on 3/4. Let me start streaming. Am I on? Hello. Hi. Chin here on. Right. So this is way too loud. This should be too loud. But I'll try not to speak into the microphone. I'll go over it. Right, can you hear me? 1, 2, testing, hello, do. So I'll stop that one. We'll play that one back. Right, can you hear me? 1, 2, testing, hello, do. That's far too loud. At least it will do something. It was on 3/4, so maybe desk mic close to face, but half gain. Right, we're talking over the microphone again. Let's have a look, see if we can do something really good. It's a balancing act with all these sort of microphones, so it's awkward to try and get them perfect first time. Stop recording. Right, we're talking over the microphone again. Let's have a look, see if we can do something really good. It's a balancing act with all these. Why is it cutting out? Sort of microphone, so it's awkward to try and get them perfect first time. Why did it cut out then? That was a bit odd. I'm not sure if it's on software or hardware, but that. Let me try an earlier one. Right, I am a foot away, half a foot away from the microphone. You can hear me on the. That's not bad. And I'm getting yellows all the way through for the microphone on OBS. But there's cutting out. There's something not right on this. It's cutting out a little bit. I don't mind it. I probably wouldn't pick a desk mic for doing streams anyway. I mean, it would be. Your problem with doing streams is you don't want to look like you're wearing the full headphone gear. You don't want to look like you're doing. You want it more professional, and maybe a lapel mic are probably better. But for streaming wise, I don't see how I can use this for streaming. Thank you very much, FIFINE. Oh, was it FL fine? F1. Oh, F1 fine. or is it F1? It's FIFINE, yes. Thank you very much for letting me test this. Unfortunately, it's not what I will be using for any live streams or any recording. It's not bad, the setup I've got at the second. It could be a lot better, and I'm not a professional YouTuber anyway, not by a long way. However, I'm going to look at what other stuff you've got, and with your permission, I'll email you this anyway. With your permission, I want to take this, send this back, because this won't be used at all, and use the credit you've given me to find something else that you've got. You've got other wireless microphones, you've got lapel mics, you've got all sorts of good things on Amazon. So it's not that I don't like this, it's I don't think I can use this on a day-to-day. I mean, I could probably put this over in the corner there, and maybe the microphone could just be out of shot, but I think that's too far away from where it is. If this would work on the camera itself, that'd be very interesting, but that will not work. It's a USB to that anyway, so it's going to have to be used for streaming only anyway. But again, thank you very much. It's good, but I can't find a full use for this just yet. Yeah, maybe I'll just keep holding it for a little while longer then and see what's what. But yeah, not bad, nicely constructed. Could do with a bit more, better anti-slip on the bottom, but I'm sure it'll stand in place wherever it'll go rather well. So anyway, thank you very much for letting me test this for you. If you want anything else testing, if anybody else out there would like me to test something and see what we can do, please get in touch. But like I said, I think I'll be in touch with these and see if I can use their trust and the credit that they've given me to test something else for them. So yeah, thanks a lot. Please like, subscribe. If any of this has been useful to you, please put in the comments, because any criticism is always useful for me anyway. If it's good or bad, fine, just tell me. But as a desk mic, it's actually quite good. But for me, the cutting out section was a little bit weird. I don't know why it cut out a couple of times with OBS, and the OBS is really set up quite well on my system anyway. But yeah, please comment below, help me out a little bit, and I'll try and get something else that's probably more up my street to use for the streams or for more videos anyway. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye for now.